हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो काफ़ी दिनों से कोई वीडियो मैं बना नहीं पा रहा था, थोड़ा हेल्थ का भी इशू चल रहा था, बट अब ठीक है। और होपफुली बहुत जल्द अब बहुत सारे फीडबैक भी आपके लिए अपलोड किया करूँगा और साथ में बहुत सारे लेक्चर्स भी अपलोड किया करूँगा। और आज भी एक स्पेशल सा फीडबैक लेकर आया हूँ। ये हमारे एक नए स्टूडेंट हैं जो अभी रिसेंटली प्रोग्राम में आए हैं। इन्होंने पहले यूपीएससी भी दे रखा है, तो राइटिंग वाइज अच्छे लगते हैं। प्लस इन्होंने लास्ट टाइम जब स्कोर किया था, लास्ट टू लास्ट टाइम इन्होंने 2 बार अभी तक आरबीआई दिया है। और आरबीआई में भी इन्होंने को डिस्क्रिप्टिव में काफ़ी अच्छा स्कोर था। तो इसका मतलब है कि कहीं न कहीं राइटिंग एक इतना बड़ा कोई मैटर लगता नहीं है, राइटिंग अच्छी होगी जहाँ तक मेरी उम्मीद है। और ये इनका फर्स्ट आंसर आया मेरे पास, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं ये वाला आपके साथ शेयर करूँ। नो डाउट इनकी राइटिंग में बहुत चीज़ें अच्छी हैं और मैंने वो बताया भी है फीडबैक में, बट किस तरह से मेरा फीडबैक उनको फाइन ट्यून करने में उसकी हेल्प कर सकता है और उसको पसंद आया। मैंने जब फीडबैक दिया तो ही वाज़ रियली हैप्पी। प्लस ही वाज़ वेरी हैप्पी विद द क्वेश्चंस आल्सो, द वे द क्वेश्चंस हैव बीन फ्रेम्ड इनटू माय क्वेश्चन बैंक। तो आप ये वाला फीडबैक देखो, ये बहुत हेल्प करेगा आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग में कि एक अगर कोई ऑलरेडी लिख रहा है, प्रैक्टिस में है, तो किस तरह से वो अपने आंसर्स को बहुत अच्छा ब्लेंड करता है। प्लस उसमें छोटी-छोटी गलतियाँ, जब कोई आपको देख रहा है, रेगुलरली मॉनिटर कर रहा है, तो कैसे छोटी-छोटी गलतियाँ को कोई पकड़ सकता है और वो आपको बता सकता है कि ये चीज़ कैसे इंप्रूव की जा सकती है, राइट? तो डू वॉच दिस फीडबैक, दिस विल बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड थैंक यू सो मच। एंड इफ यू लाइक माय कंटेंट, डू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड लेट्स सी। थैंक यू। Me evaluate your first answer. And the good part here is what I see is in 20 minutes you have written almost 454 words, which is not bad, because when you're attempting a question of around 600 words, I'm expecting you to write in 22 to 24 minutes. So we can at least we can increase by 50 more words, that would be fine. 520, 530 is good. So you have written 5 major dimensions of personality, which is an easy question, and explain how the role of Big Five into psychological research. Now, this second part would be complicated. Let's see how it goes. Personality is a combination of traits that makes an individual distinctive characters. When we say about someone is aggressive, friendly, and honest, we are talking about a personality. Okay, it is a combination of individuals' feeling, thoughts, and the personality. So basically, you have defined personality in different ways over here. Okay, but I wanted to see how you shifted to Big Five. Let's see. Okay, so now you're according to Big Five model. So how you shifted from personality to Big Five? Now this is the big, this is the big drawback of your introduction over here now, because you should have written few lines on how personality is being measured, how different research has contributed into personality measurement, because Big Five model is also one of the model of measuring personality, right? So you should have written 1 or 2 lines to explain that personality is complex concept, it requires special tools or special scales for measuring it. It's a qualitative concept that is not there, and that is why I will not be rating your introduction a good introduction, because there is not a smooth transitioning in it. So there are five main dimensions, as is called openness to experience. The person with the high degree of openness is okay. For example, Elon Musk is a creative person. This fine. Concern implies to the high goal directed, and this. Okay, the person has low concern. For example, okay. So this is good because you have explained it with example also. Extroversion means the ability to interact with other people. People who are this, okay, and all this. I believe that this part will not be a problem because it's a very straightforward part. If you anybody remembers this, you can easily write it. Right, means modifying sadness, and this okay, good. So this part is good. A part is good with explanation, with example. There is no problem at all. Now let us look at the second part, because that's where I believe the real challenge will come. Big Five model of personality has a significant role in psychological research. The model provides a basic framework for the evaluation of research studies. Okay, I would have been expecting this part into points, just like the above part, A part, because then it would be much easier as an instructor for me to understand what points you are now. Not what you have done. You have increased my effort, because now I have to read your paragraph and identify the 3-4 points which you have written or not. For example, basic framework is your first point over here, but you would have written in points. I could have easily gathered that. Due to globalization, did change the model, and I believe that this part content was weak. You didn't had the content. You just tried to negate 1 or 2 points over here and there. It helps in the evaluation how the person emotional state is influenced by the decision making. Interpersonal. Okay, this point is good. One find reason for the mood swings, anxiety. This mood helps in finding the procrastination. I believe the B part is weak. I would only be rating it as an average answer now. Why? Because A part is good, B part is weak, introduction was okay, conclusion I don't see over here, or okay, yeah, here you have written function, it helps in introducing again. But the big five model is personality has the research to understand, predict, and still you have not used the measure word, because big five is a test. Big five is a test. You must understand this was important for this particular concept to be written over here. I will rate it as an average answer. I'll give you maybe a 5.5 out of 10. I would say it is not a bad start. I can clearly see you have a good writing skills, but it will be tested in some of the complex questions which I will read once you start writing. But for now, for the first answer, it's not bad. It's good, but overall, if I look at from the competitive exam perspective, it's an average answer.